Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are good and doing well. So, in the last lecture, we discussed the third assignment of this series, which contains two tasks. And the first task is allow companies to edit and destroy the jobs. Okay, and we will work on this task in this lecture. Okay, so here you can see that I already have two pull requests. Okay, and these pull requests are to show the job form validation message and edit show template for the company jobs. Okay, but these are the open pull requests, these are not merged. Okay, so either we have two way that we can create a new branch for our new ticket or new task from the base branch, and then we can start working on that task. Otherwise we can also first merge this pull request to the base branch, and then we can start working on that. Okay, so here what we need to do, that we will first go to the terminal, and here we will check that what is our current branch. So git branch, it is the main branch. Okay, and the pull request for the branches are like the add status to jobs and show template for the company jobs. Okay, sorry, the job form validation message and the show template for company jobs. Okay, so first we need to merge these branches into the main branch. Okay, so what we will do, that git merge. Okay, and then first we will merge this branch, add validation message to. Okay, so you will get this branch. Okay, just close it, and you will see that the branch has been merged. Okay, and now if you see git status and then merge, git merge. Now this branch add show template for the company jobs. Okay, so just merge this branch as well. Okay, and it will again show you the merge commit message, so just close this as well, and now you can see that what we have, git status. Okay, and then git k. If you do git k, here you can see that these two branches has been merged to the main. Okay, so now our main branch is updated. Now if we push, but on the browser you will still say that these pull requests are open. Why? Because we merged these pull requests to the main branch from the terminal. Okay, but we did not push the main branch on the master on the github, so that's why these pull requests are still showing the open. Okay, so now let's push it. So git push origin main. Okay, and now let's copy the password. Okay, so here is my password, just copy it and paste it. Okay, so I posted the changes to the master, and here you can see, if you refresh the page now, that all the pull request are has been closed. Okay, and our master has been our main branch has been updated. Here you can see that 1 minute ago I merged these two branches. Okay, now what we need to do, that we need to start our work for this task, which is the aid company to edit and destroy the jobs. Okay, so this is the detail of the task, that right now companies can create and view jobs. We need the ability for the companies to destroy and edit the job as well. Okay, so here you can see that right now I'm at the company scope jobs. Okay, let me start the server first. I started the server, and if I refresh the page, you can see that we have this post new job functionality, that is to create the jobs. Okay, and we have this view job functionality, that is to show the jobs. Okay, but now you can see that we are getting this error, and this error is coming. Why? Because in the recent lectures we added the two params method within the job.rb. Okay, so here you can see that this is our two param method. So what it is doing, two param, again I'm repeating, that it is changing the default parameter in the browser from id to uuid, or whatever the attribute you will mention here. Okay, so now what we need to do, that in the jobs controller we have to do something like that, in the company's job controller. So current company.jobs.find, and here what we need to do, find to replace find to find by, and then uuid, and then params id. Okay, so this is how we can load the jobs. And if you uh, refresh the browser now, you will see that the error has been gone. Okay, and you can back to the list, and you can again click on the view job, and it will show you that job. But if you click on the view as job seeker, you will still see this error. Okay, so how we can fix that error? So again, just replace this find by with the find in the normal job controller or the public job controller. Okay, so here what you need to do, just paste it, and now your all the show methods will work fine. Okay, so now we are ready to work on edit and view jobs. Okay, so first what we need to do, just close it. Now first what we need to do, that we need to create a new branch. Okay, so git status, and then git checkout minus b, and then feature, and here job edit destroy, job edit destroy task. Okay, and then create the branch. And now if you check the git status, you will see that we have these two changed files, modified files. Okay, and now let's restart the server. Okay, we restarted the server, and then now what we need to do, that we need to create a button for editing the form here. Okay, so first step, that whenever you get some chance, try to look at the controller, that if there is anything that you need to repeat, or sorry, if there is anything that you are repeating but you need to refactor that. Okay, for example, here you can see that we have this query for the show. Okay, now if we create edit, okay, then we need to run this query again. Okay, so we need to run this query again, and for the update we need to run this query again, because these are the member actions. And for destroy, we need to run this query again. Here we need to run this query again. So better than this, I mean repeating this query in all four member actions, what we can do here, that we can add before action, and then load job, load job only, and then you can mention the actions here. Okay, so like show, edit, destroy, and update. Okay, and now in the private section, or in the private area, you can create this method as def load job, and then you can write this query here. Okay, and then remove this query from everywhere. Sorry, not from everywhere, just from the edit, update, and destroy. Okay, so remove that. Okay, now to display the edit form, what we need to do, that we need to create the edit.html.trb within the company jobs directory, I mean here. Okay, so what we can do here, we can create an edit.html.trb. So edit.html.erb. Okay, and then we can go to the new .html.trb and just copy all the things, paste it here, and here you can just simply make edit job, or edit your job. Okay, save it. And now just to see the edit link, what we need to do, that on the index page here we need to add the edit link, or link to edit the job. So what we can do here, edit job, and then edit company job path, and then btn, let's say warning or info. Okay, and then save it, and refresh the page. Okay, so when you refresh the page, you can see this button as edit job, and when you click on this edit job, you will see the form which is already showing you. Okay, now what we need to do, that we need to finish the update thing. Okay, and to finish the update thing, what we need to do here, in the company jobs controller, we need to finish the implementation of update action. Okay, and that will be the same thing as like that. So we can copy this create action, and here we just need a slight modification, that if job dot update, and then job params. Okay, so call this method here, if at the rate job dot update job params. Okay, if it is saved successfully, then what we can do, we can either redirect to company jobs path or at the single job path. Okay, otherwise we can render edit with status unprocessable entity. Now let's test this. So what we can do, go to the browser, refresh the page, and let's say submit the job by empty title. Okay, just to see. So we are seeing the error here. So what we can do, let's say senior software engineer, and here we can do Ruby on Rails. Okay, and then let's say applicable for, let's say expert. Okay, and total position, let's say 1. Okay, and salary range is, let's say 5,000 to 10,000, and job location is, let's say on site. Okay, and part time to make it contract, or let's make it full time. Okay, and now what we need to do, that if we go to the terminal and make some space and submit this post job, we will see that the title has been changed, salary range has been changed, the total position has been changed, and posted on this has been changed. Sorry, it is not changed because we are just showing it the created at date here, not as the updated date. Okay, so this edit job has been done. Now what we need to do, that we need to do the final change for the destroy action. Okay, because editing has been done, so we need to destroy the job. So to destroy the job, we again need to come to the destroy action, and here what we need to do, at the rate job dot destroy. Okay, and when the job has been destroyed successfully, what we need to do, redirect to company jobs path. Okay, redirect to company jobs path. Okay, and we need to display a button as well to delete the job. So here what we can do, sorry, what we can do, we can just copy this link and we can edit like delete job. Okay, and then company job path, and here we need to make the class like, let's say, btn danger. Okay, okay, so that is fine, but here is one trick. If you save it with this way, okay, and if you refresh the browser, you will see the button that which is showing the delete job. Okay, but if you click on the delete job, it will take you to the show page, not on the deleting the page. Why? Because here the request is going as the show.html.trb. Okay, but we are expecting it to be a delete, so we need to mention the delete method here. Okay, so let's make it delete. So what we can do here, oh, for example, first let's make it call lg 10 12. Okay, and then here we need to mention the method delete. Okay, so will it work? Let's see. Save it, refresh the page. When you click on the delete job, it will still take you to the show page. Why? Because we are working in the rails 7. Okay, and by default rails 7 sends the delete request as the turbo stream. Okay, so method delete will not work here. Okay, we need to mention here something like that. For example, data, and then you need to make some changes here, like data turbo method delete, and then turbo confirm. Are you sure you want to delete this job? This action cannot be undo. Okay, save it, and now refresh the page. First back to the list. Okay, and if you click on the view delete job, you will see the pop up now. That means our request is will be sent as the delete as turbo stream. Okay, now first make some space to the terminal, and if you click on the cancel, it will does not do anything. But if you click on the delete job and if you click on the OK, you will see that the job has been deleted, and here you can see delete destroy as turbo stream. Okay, so make sure that you can use HTML request for the by default edit show new. Okay, but when you destroy some resource, create some resource, or update some resource, then in rails 7 by default you will get these requests are serving as the turbo stream request. Okay, not as the normal HTML request. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, so our first task of the third assignment has been done. Okay, and the task was like allow companies to edit and destroy the jobs. Okay, so here we are done with the task. So what we can do, that as usual, first we need to check get status, and then we need to check git k, like all the changes that we made. So you can come here and then you can go through the changes. Okay, so you made some changes in the company's job controller, so these are the changes. Just look at that, is this fine? Okay, so this is fine, so just let it go. Okay, and look at this controller, so this is the fine change, we needed it. Okay, let it go. And this is the company's jobs index, so these are the changes and we made it and we need it, so just let it go. and now we are able to do that. Okay, and along with git k you can also use git log, sorry, git diff. Okay, so here you can see that in the git diff you can see all the changes that you have made. Okay, so you can just scroll through and you will see that like this is the file that where you made changes. So in this file you made this change, in this file you made this change, and in this file you made this change. So you can verify your changes along with the git diff and git k. Okay, so git k is for the GUI, and git log is to see the changes on the onto the terminal itself. Okay, so now we are done. So what we will do is we will make a commit. So git status, and then git add ape. Okay, we are done here. Now we will make commit. So git commit, and then edit template and update destroy actions for company jobs. Okay, now we need to push this change. Okay, so let me go to the git ignore and undo my changes. Okay, so I just copied my token, and now what I need to do, git push. Okay, so here you can see when you do git push it will show you git push hyphen hyphen set. So git push hyphen hyphen set upstream origin feature job edit destroy task. Okay, now you need to paste your password here, I mean the git token, and the code has been pushed. Okay, and you can click on this link to create your PR. So open link, and then you will see that we are creating this pull request against the base branch, which is the main, and we are comparing job edit destroy. So we can create pull request here. Okay, so this has created the pull request. Okay, so right now we have one pull request which is open, and since our change is fine, so now let me show you that how we can merge it from here again. However, I already showed it to you. So you can see merge pull request. Okay, and you can also do rebase and merge. Okay, so when you do rebase and merge, what will happen, let's see here. Click on rebase and merge, and now click this link and confirm rebase and merge. Okay, so you can see that the PR has been closed, and this has been merged, this branch has been merged into the main branch. Okay, and now if you go to the main, you need to pull first. So git checkout main. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to make git pull. Okay, and then sorry, git pull origin main. Okay, and when you check the git k, you will see that this is the commit that we received when we rebase and merge. Okay, so what will happen that when you directly merge your branch to the base branch, you will get a merge commit like this. Okay, like this. And if you rebase your branch and then merge it, then you will not get the merge commit. So you can prevent one extra merge commit against your base branch, and you will only get the commit which on which you have worked or on which somebody has worked. Okay, so this is how we can rebase and merge. Okay, you can also do the uh, online sorry, on terminal as well, rather than doing it online from GitHub. So you can directly do like git rebase and then your branch name. Okay, you can do something like that, but we already rebase and merge, so we are not doing it here. Okay, so this is all about this first task. Okay, so just try to follow this lecture, and if you are new to the playlist, go to the project. Okay, on the browser, and what you need to do here, go to the code, follow the readme for installation, and take the clone of this application to your local. And now we have only one task which is remaining, that is display only active jobs on the public view search. Now this task has been done, so what we can do, we can check it and we can mark it as done. Okay, so just go to this, and we can close this issue or close this task. Okay, so this has been done. Now we have only one issue which is open that we need to work on, and the 5 closed issues are here. Okay, and in the next lecture we will work on the second task of the third assignment. Okay, so I hope you like this. Follow us on YouTube, keep spreading the channel, subscribe it, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, Tata, goodbye, take care, stay safe.